Very good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. M.A. Channaya, and in today's video, we are going to work out a problem on the development of an elbow joint made of two circular pipes of same dia. Friends, they have given the question, draw the development of cylindrical elbow shown in figure. So, two pipes of same dia, they are just soldered like this. This is a solder joint. These two are the pipes, and I have shown them as pipe number 1 and pipe number 2. These two will have the same dia. This is 50. This is also 50. Length is 70, and the length of this or the height of this cylinder is also maximum 70. So here, friends, the development whatever you get for this cylindrical pipe which is cut by a section plane, something like this joint is just like a section plane, so it is being cut here, say. So development of these two will be the same when they have this same height. Friends, we can draw the development of one of these two, either the vertical pipe or the horizontal pipe. And since they have the same development, you can say after completing the development of one of them, say below that figure, development 2 of OFF. That means there will be two such pieces for making a joint, an elbow joint. Friends, I have taken up this vertical pipe which has got maximum height 70 and without this section plane. You know, a cylinder will have a rectangle as the development for its lateral surface. So friends, I am going to construct adjacent to this figure, adjacent to this vertical cylinder, a rectangle which will have the width is equal to pi d. This gap is pi d. Pi into d, which is equal to pi into 50, because d is diameter of that is 50 mm. So I can just mark like this, pi d, pi into 50. Height of this is 70. You can show here, this is 70, the maximum height of the vertical cylinder. Both will have the same way as usual. Friends, I have taken up this vertical cylinder and so I have drawn the top view of this, and it will be a circle, and we will name this as AA1, BB1, this is CC1, DD1, EE1, FF1, GG1 and HH1. These are all the top views of the 8 generators AA1 to HH1. Friends, we will transfer all these points to the front view. And friends, here we have this B and H on this. So this is A dash or A1 dash. This is B1 dash, H1 dash. We can write a thin line through that. Thin line through that. Then friends, similarly here also we will have another line like that. And this is the central line. This is C dash. And this is F and H. The last one is the generator E and EE. Friends, we have drawn the development adjacent to the front view of the cylinder. We have divided the top view of the cylinder, that is a circle, into 8 equal parts since it has no edges. Likewise, I am going to divide this also, that is the development, to 8 equal parts by following division of line procedure. And this can be seen in one of my previous videos. You have the division of line and division of angle. You can please go through that. This I have divided into 4 equal parts. Again we will have some more points. I divide that further into two divisions. 2, again 2 here. This is again 2 here. Friends, here you can take this as the cylinder, the vertical cylinder, which is cut by the section plane. And you know, it is very simple to construct this figure. And friends, let us mark the front view here. This is A dash, this is B dash, H dash, C dash, G dash, this is F and D, D dash, F dash, last one is E dash. This is E1 dash, this is D dash, F1 dash, D1 dash, F1 dash, etc. This is GC. I have marked here because there is no place here. O dash and O1 dash are the center of the top and bottom faces of the cylinder. Friends, here you can start the development from any generator of your choice, either from A or E, GG, etc. I'm just for a change. I'm drawing this from the generator EE. So I will start from E. Then comes F, G, H, A, B, C, D, and finally E. Because E and E1 is the center of the bottom face. E1, this is F1, G1, H1, A1, B1, C1, D1. Finally, this is E1. The first and last line should have the same marking. Friends, after dividing this development of the cylinder without the section plane, let us transfer these points where the section plane say this is S and S. The soldering joint of the soldered joint can be considered as a section plane, and it is passing through A of the top face. A is here. You have to make a point there on A. Then it is cutting the generators BB and HH at this point. So from there, friends, AA and BB and HH, sorry, BB and HH. So this is HH and this is BB. 2 points you have got. Then the generators CC and GG are cut here. CC and GG. So this is GG and this is CC. They will be symmetrical about this. Friends, then here you have got the generators DD and FF cut here. So I am going to transfer that to DD and FF. This is FF and this is DD. Finally, friends, the last generator EE is cut here. So I am going to write a horizontal from there to get a point here on the extreme generator and another point here. Friends, you have got so many points, that is 8 points to say. We will mark them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which coincides with A. This is 6, 7, 8, and this is 1 because point 1 is common on EE at both the ends. Friends, we have got 8 points on the 8 generators. Join all these 8 points 1 to 8 by a smooth continuous curve. So friends, I am going to join them by a smooth continuous curve. It should be a continuous curve, a smooth curve, passing through all these points which you have got. So friends, this is how this will look. And friends, on A, you can see on the extreme generator EE, this height is retained. So in case of cones and cylinders, only the border line should be dark or shown by visible line. Even this portion is retained. Friends, this shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, this vertical line base will give you the development of P. I will say development of P. That is part 1 I have shown. I have shown as piece 1 or part 1 shown in figure. Friends, I told you the beginning of this video that since these two pipes have the same dia, 50-50, and same length, the development of the second part will be exactly identical to that of the vertical part, vertical cylinder. And here you have to say, to make a joint like this, we need to have two such developments which will be folded and then soldered here like this along section. Yes, yes. I will say development two of OFF. That means we need two such pieces in the development to get this elbow joint. Friends, if if two were having a diameter of 50 but length is equal to 80, in that case, you have to draw the development of these either upwards or downwards separately, and you cannot say development 2 of, because each of them will have different length. This will have 80 and this will have length 70. In this particular problem, since both have the same height and same diameter, we are going to say development 2 of. Friends, I hope you have followed how to obtain the development of an elbow joint. Friends, please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, please share with all your friends. Have a wonderful day, and I thank you for watching my YouTube video.